everyone, welcome to Intellipaat's YouTube channel. In today's session, we will tell you how to become a business intelligence analyst.
So before we move on with our live session, please subscribe to our channel.
And also, if you want upcoming updates, please hit the bell icon and also leave a like if you enjoy our content.
In today's video, we will see who is a business intelligence analyst and we will go through a complete career guide for it. Today's agenda is to describe who is a business intelligence analyst, why should you choose to become a business intelligence analyst, what are the roles of business intelligence analyst and what are the skills required. We will also go through the business intelligence training programs. So let's start by describing who is a business intelligence analyst. Business intelligence analyst possesses the skills of both business and information technology domains. So basically they are those individuals who have knowledge of both business and information technology. They evaluate organizations' data along with competitors and industry data that is available in order to discover different ways to improve organizations' business positions. So they correlate data and business outcomes of it, and then they establish a relation between them and they find out different ways to improve organizations' business positions. They also examine organization systems, procedures, functions that is being currently deployed, and they find areas in which company can increase profit margins and effectiveness efficiently. It is very much possible that some of the procedures and functions in the company is not up to the mark or can produce more profit. So it is the job of business intelligence analyst to find those areas and find the way to improve them. They are the experts in data mining and analyzing data, and they suggest growth strategies for an organization, which is very crucial. Now, let us go and define why should you choose to become a business intelligence analyst in the first place. As we have seen that business intelligence analyst helps the company grow. So, there have been increasingly important growth in the field of business intelligence analyst, and in the market they are very much required of today's date, especially to the organizations who are moving to capitalize on the volumes of data that they have already collected. According to the data pay scale, the average salary of BI analyst is $66,000 per year, with a reported salary range is between $48,000 to $93,000. It was expected that the business intelligence market will reach $22.8 billion by the end of 2020. Bureau of Labor Statistics predicted that the BI analyst demand will grow by 21% between 2014 and 2021. According to pay scale, the average range of salary in India for a business intelligence analyst is 7 lakhs to 12 lakhs rupees. Now, let us define what are the roles of business intelligence analyst in a company. Business intelligence analyst is required to review and validate customer data when it is collected. So whenever a company interacts with the user, some kind of data is being generated. So it is a job of business intelligence analyst to review it and validate it. They also supervise the deployment of data to the data warehouse. So once our interaction with the customer is done, the data is reviewed and validated. It has to be deployed to the data warehouses. So it is a job of business intelligence analysts that they supervise how it is being done and if it is being done correctly or not. Thirdly, they are involved in the development of policies and procedures for the collection and analysis of data. All kinds of organizations in the world have different kinds of policies, and they follow up certain protocol or procedures in which they collect and analyze the data. And for the development of such policies and procedures,
Just a quick info, guys. Intellipaat provides Business Intelligence Master's program in partnership with Microsoft, the course link of which is given in the description below. Now, let's continue with the session.
business intelligence analysts play a main role. They also create and discover new data procurement and processing programs. So basically, whatever is there in the company, they are also responsible to find and create new ways of gaining the data and processing them from the programs. They cooperate with IT department to deploy software and hardware upgrades to leverage big data use cases. So they are in close relations with the IT department to deploy software and hardware upgrades. They monitor analytics and metric results and implement new data analysis methodologies. They ensure integrity of the data collection and utilization by reviewing customer files and performing data profiling to understand anomalies. So they are responsible to ensure integrity of data collection by reviewing the customer files. They review it and they perform data profiling on it to find and understand if there are any anomalies in it. Now let us discuss what are the skills required to become a BIA. They need to have expert knowledge in data analytics. It is important that they have in-depth knowledge of data analytics, as most of the tasks to be performed would involve dealing with the data for a business intelligence analyst. The 4 main skills that are required is the knowledge of data warehouse, data modeling, data visualization, and data mining. Apart from this, they are also required to have technical knowledge and proficient computer language skills such as Python and C#. They are required to have a sound knowledge in Hadoop, SQL, database management systems, and reporting. A 4-year degree in computer science, business administration, or statistics is suggested. They are also required to be proficient in business intelligence tools because they need to convey their findings. And they need to be experienced with the various visualization tools such as ClickView, Tableau, or Power BI. They are also required to have a good communication skills, as job profiles require you to have communication with the team members, project leaders, and organization's head. As we saw in the roles that they are required to communicate with IT department, programs leaders, and they are also required in the policies and procedures of data collections. So these all things require good communication skills between people in the organization, and BIA is required to have it. You must be skilled enough to communicate your solutions in a simple and effective manner. So the bar is that you have to be able to communicate your solutions in a very effective manner and simple manner so that everybody in the team can participate. One of the most sought out skills for any BIA is excellent critical thinking and problem solving skills, because they will be dealing with the data and there might be some problems or any kind of things that is there, and they need to be very skilled to handle such problem solving skills so that they can solve the problem that arises, and then they can think critically in face of anything, or solving any issues or finding any kinds of solution for the company's growth. Now let us go through the business intelligence analyst training programs that we offer. We at Intellipaat, we have our YouTube channel which you can subscribe to find and watch the videos on business intelligence. You can also visit our website. You can check out our master program on business intelligence analyst. There are other 4 courses that we provide. A business intelligence analyst Microsoft certification, which is endorsed by Microsoft itself. You can go through the part by part courses which are listed in the PPT. And lastly, you can visit our blog and you can find more information and post it to our community.
Just a quick info, guys. Intellipaat provides Business Intelligence Master's Program in partnership with Microsoft, the course link of which is given in the description below.
So guys, we have come to the end of our session. I hope you all enjoyed it. For any questions that you have related to coding, you can mention it in the comment sections below.
So thank you so much for attending this session, and meet you in another session.